In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word to PDF. If you've ever sent a document and had the formatting shift, or worried whether someone could open a Docx file on their device, converting to PDF is the easiest way to lock in the layout and make it universally viewable. PDFs keep your fonts, spacing, and images right where you place them, so what you see is what they'll see. We'll keep this simple by using a browser-based tool, so there's nothing to install. First, go to the Smallpdf Word to PDF tool. You can get there by opening your web browser and searching for Smallpdf Word to PDF, or by navigating directly to the Smallpdf website and selecting the Word to PDF option. Make sure you're on the official page before you proceed. Look for a secure connection in your browser and the familiar Smallpdf interface. Using a stable internet connection helps the upload and conversion run smoothly. Once the page is open, it's time to add your document. Upload or drag and drop your Word file, whether it's .doc or .docx. If you're not sure which you have, Windows and Mac OS both show the file extension in the file picker, so double check you're choosing the correct one. Dragging and dropping is as simple as clicking your file and dropping it onto the highlighted area on the page. If you prefer, click the Upload button and pick the file from your computer. Tip: it's a good idea to close the document in Word before uploading, especially if it's stored in a synced folder to avoid any file in use hiccups. Large files with lots of images or complex formatting may take a few extra moments to begin uploading. Just let the page finish its job. After your file is selected, wait for the file to convert automatically. There's nothing extra you need to press. The tool starts processing right away. You'll typically see a progress indicator while it works. The time it takes depends on the file size and complexity. Short, text-only documents convert quickly, while image-heavy reports may take longer. Keep the browser tab open and avoid refreshing until it finishes. If your connection pauses and the upload stalls, simply give it a moment and try the upload again when the network is steady. That's all there is to it. By going to the Smallpdf Word to PDF tool, adding your .doc or .docx file, and letting the automatic conversion run, you'll have a clean, consistent PDF ready for sharing or archiving. It's fast, straightforward, and keeps your document looking exactly the way you intended.